Alright, so I spent the last like 2 days Googling shit to try to find a starter for my car, and I called just about every auto place in the fucking state. For some reason, they all say that a 2020 starter like doesn't exist or doesn't come up in their systems, but 2019 will come up. So I had ordered one yesterday night, which was Sunday, and I paid to overnight it. Should have came today, but for some reason it's not coming till tomorrow. I'm getting really tired of waiting, so I held one. Hopefully I could go pick that up today. About to get rid of the big wing though. Got a guy from Jersey coming to buy that, and then right after I'm gonna head out and try to get that starter.
As you see here, they completely fucked everything up. Absolutely fucked up. I mean, like, there's no going back from this point. Furthermore, I would just like to touch upon how bad exactly it is.
I sold the ZL1 wing, took that money, went and bought a starter. I didn't know them things were that fucking expensive, bro. Shit was like $350 fucking for a starter and some 3M tape. I talked to Phil earlier. He didn't sound too sure if he's gonna be able to come out and tune my car tonight. Hopefully this starter just goes, you know, no problems. I know there's gonna be a problem, bro. At this point, I'm expecting to see a fucking rod go into fucking space orbit or some shit, dog. Like, gauging from everything that's happened so far, I'm just expecting some bad shit to happen tonight. It's a nice day, but, you know, I've been fucked on nice days before, so.
Didn't even bring all my tools tonight, because you know what? We're not gonna need them. It's just gonna fire right up. Well, only what I need to put the battery in and put the starter in. Nah, we're good. We're good. It's got a little shorter shaft on it. It's aftermarket. Hey, there's a 50-50 chance it's a Duralast that it does blow up tonight. Because I'm cranking the fuck out of it, because this shit's gonna be... I'd rather have a blown up starter than a fucking not primed enough motor. Oh, yes. Yes. No.
What, you gotta undo the header?
Yes.
Tonight's going... Shut
up.
Don't even worry.
Shut up.
Don't even...
Oh, shit.
Here we go.
No. How the fuck would you look it up as a 2019 and it would come up, but no 2020?
That's what I'm saying.
It's a wide range.
That's what I'm saying. Yeah, they would have had it yesterday if I said that.
I had it rocking right there.
Because the one that you had me order is 16 to 22. It's all going to be the same.
I saw that too, and I didn't even think about it until you mentioned it today.
Yeah, and I could have fucking bought a Corvette one too, because it's the same fucking shit.
It's the same shit.
I didn't think about that either.
98 bucks at AutoZone. What you gonna do about it? It's like $275 and it's a remand. I said, fuck you.
Just in case the fucking remote dies. Just in case something falls off.
You're fucking horny.
Bro, we got every possible. Only thing I didn't bring tonight is a fucking diaper. All right, taking the camera out for this shit show. It's about to happen.
Holy shit, huh? The fucking thingies.
All right, just press the starter once, just one time. Don't spam it, because it's going to be angry.
Bro, I don't know if your car has a feature where the fucking hood's open, so I had Chicken close the fucking hood.
That's weird, though. Can't you just remote start it from the key and see if that'll prime it?
I don't know how to fucking remote start your shit.
Here we go.
Nothing, right? I hope it's not, fucking because I have all the coil packs and all the fuel rails unplugged.
But it was confirmed 100% that that starter is fucking fucked up though, right?
Yeah.
So what the fuck?
Unless the starter's extra fancy and it needs a certain type of fucking signal to shoot the shaft out. Starter goes right here like I have it. New battery!
It's gonna be a long night.
Not a step back, but a little bit of research. Bitch motherfuckers. Fucking commie bastards.
Yes.
And this one ain't even got a handle. Ah! Try again. It just shuts it off. It does a sweep again.
Yeah, now it's in reverse. Now it's in park.
Okay, it wasn't doing that before.
Alright, so now... Ground's on the back of the head, one on passenger side head, two on driver's side head.
Big ground's hooked up.
Alright, we are at a crossroads right now. Every single possible ground is connected. We went through online and checked every single one. 100% the starter's not fucked because it's a brand new starter. 100% the battery's not fucked because it's a brand new battery. car turns on, but when you try to start it, you hear the relay shit up there.
It clicks.
Yeah.
Could be a bad relay.
I doubt it, bro. It's fucking retarded. Why the fuck would that fuck up? Why would it make a noise even if it's fucked up?
The only thing I can think of is that the fuel rails aren't plugged in. It's the only thing I can think of is that circuit's not complete to the starter. Oh, I can tell you right now, the fuel pump's not on. I swear to God, if it's because the car's in the air, I'm gonna lose my fucking mind. So this is your starter relay. See if we see any fucking burns on it. Shit looks brand fucking new. I pulled your fuel pump relay. I knew I fucking pulled one. Question is,
Where'd you put it?
I gave you that fuel bag with all the fuel lines in it. That's where I put the fuel pump relay. I'm 100% sure.
3 hours later.
Turn it on. Fuel pump works.
Maybe try doing it like sitting in it.
Let me try it.
No fucking way! No fucking way! Yes!
There you go. Nope, I ain't bringing no tools tomorrow because I'm 100% confident.